When you're hanging with your roommate, cause your roommate is your best friend, it's a party all the time, frigid oven!
May I borrow the Aerostar this weekend?
Nope, you can't.
Please, dude. I got a big date.
That's what you said last time, and the van came back coated in Mountain Dew, smelling like beef jerky.
Come on, man. Please. I swear, I'll fill up the tank this time. I will vacuum your car. Did you hear me? I said I would vacuum your van. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Fine, fine, fine.
You're a prince.